Hey, I can't wait to share some exciting news with you all. PlatoForms just launched Conversational Form. This means instead of staring at a wall of fields, your users can answer one question at a time, step by step, like a friendly conversation. And the best part, you don't need to rebuild anything, just switch with one click. Amazing, right? Let me show you how it works. First, click on your design form or build one if you don't have any. Then click Preview and Design. Here you can choose to keep the classic form or switch to the conversational one. Let's try the conversational option. Once you click it, you will find tons of styling themes ready to use. Just pick one that suits your needs. Don't worry, if the picture or color isn't what you want, you can change it later. I will pick this one for now, and let's move on to the magic part. Here you can fully customize your form. Switch between light or dark mode with one click. Upload your logo and adjust its placements. Customize everything from the progress bar color mode, title visibility, question index style, navigation button style, rounded corner for the fields or button, font margin, right to left font, material style. Here you can choose between style fonts or Google Fonts, and even set font weight. For deeper customization, click More Custom Styles. You will be able to set all the colors your way. CSS and JS are also supported if your tech team needs advanced tweaks. Wondering how to change the pictures? Simply go to Page Media Settings. From there, you can select images from our library or upload your own. You can also adjust media width, position, and even by mask designs. There are 4 mask sets to choose from, and you can further customize mask color and strength. Already impressed? There's more. Since it is a conversational form, a proper welcome is essential. Just enable Show Welcome page, and a beautiful welcome screen will appear. From here, you can edit the heading, description, and button label to match your needs. Once you are satisfied, click Save. You can click back to your editor to change anything anytime as well. Incredible, right? Here you can give it a test. This is such a beautiful and smart form. Your form, your way. So, are you excited to try it? Go ahead, give it a spin and get ready to be wowed!